Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Empress Daily Dose, where we talk about natural healing through herbs, healthy recipes, medical support, fitness, and of course, faith in God's word. In today's video, I want us to learn something that can truly change our health, and that is how to keep our body alkaline. We are going to be talking what does alkaline means, why is it important, what food, herbs and drink can help our body to be alkaline. This is all what we are going to be talking about today. So if you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Now, what is alkaline? Let me give you a simple example. Our body has a natural measurement which is called pH. This pH in our body helps us to know if our body is alkaline or acidic. Acidic are things that are sour, that are sharp, that are harsh. Once they are too much in our body system, they can cause sickness. Alkaline are things that are calm, that are balanced, and they promote healing in our body. They help to make our body strong. You know, our body likes to stay a little bit alkaline, not just acidic. When we begin to eat too much processed food, sugar, fried things, these start making our body to be acidic. And this is where many health problems start, such as fatigue, inflammation, high blood pressure, infection, and so on. When we start eating more alkaline food, our body starts healing naturally. Why is it important to have an alkaline body? When our body is alkaline, it helps to fight off sickness easily. It fuels our body with more energy. We don't get tired all the time. It helps to support vital organs such as kidney and liver to function properly. It helps our digestive system, it helps to cleanse our skin, and it also helps with weight control. It also makes us feel lighter, happier, and we can sleep better at night. An alkaline body is a healthy body. There are simple healthy food and drinks that can make your body alkaline. Let's start with this simple healthy food and drinks that you can take every day that can make your body alkaline. We have varieties of vegetables such as ugu leaf, also known as pumpkin leaf, water leaf, spinach, okra, cucumber, watermelon, pawpaw, also known as papaya, avocado, coconut water, plantain, beans, fresh tomatoes. Here are herbs that you can take that will make your body alkaline. We have bitter leaf, scent leaf, moringa, ginger, garlic, turmeric and black pepper, lemongrass, stonebreaker, kings of bitter, and soursop. These herbs helps to reduce inflammation, it helps to cleanse the blood, and it helps the body to balance naturally. Here are simple herbs drink you can make at home. Lemon water. You may ask, lemon, is it not acidic? One thing you should realize, once lemon gets into your body, it becomes alkaline. Cucumber plus mint leaf and apple water, apple cider vinegar in warm water, coconut water. You can make healthy herb teas such as moringa tea, avocado tea, bitter leaf tea, stonebreaker tea, and soursop tea. Now, what makes our body acidic? The truth is we all love food. But you know, there are some certain food, when we take them too much, they make our body acidic. This wear out our body. If you have an acidic body or you don't want your body to be acidic, here are a list of food you need to avoid. Processed sugar, soda drinks, excessive red meats, fried foods, canned or processed food or snacks, energy drink, and noodles. You don't have to cut all this food from your diet at once. You can start gradually. Replace one acidic food with one alkaline food each day. Here are simple steps you can start today to start having an alkaline body. When you wake up in the morning, drink warm water with lemon, or you take a cup of apple cider vinegar. You can also eat healthy light fruits such as watermelon, avocado, cucumber, and apple. In the afternoon, make sure you generously grace your plate with enough vegetables whenever you're taking your main meal. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Drink a lot of water. In the evening, please avoid heavy oily food. Go for something light. Drink your herbal tea. Take 30 to 40 minutes walk and make sure you get your 7 to 8 hours quality night rest. Remember, you need to manage stress, worry, anger, and anxiety. All these things make our body acidic. Let peace, joy, and faith rule your heart. Is too much alkaline bad? Oh yes, too much of everything is not good. If you overdo alkaline diet, it may affect your minerals and digestion. Remember, the goal is not to become extreme, but to balance gradually. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. Your body is ready to heal. Give it the right tools. Ecclesiastes 10:17 says, "Blessed art thou, O land, when the king is the son of the nobles, and the prince eats in due season, for strength and not for drunkenness." So, eat for strength and not for sickness. Drink for healing and not for harm. Live in balance with God as your guide. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you learned something new. If you need our healthy organic plant herbs, all you have to do is click on the link in my description to place your order. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Remember, health is wealth. Stay healthy, stay blessed. See you in my next video. Bye bye.